Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time YouTube and I miss you guys and I know you guys definitely miss me. So in this channel is where I document my journey as a trader. I do a day in my life and a mini vlog of myself. And in this channel is just where I share my own personal journey as a trader. And unfortunately there's no light and my PC is off, so I'll be doing the analysis for you guys here. And mind you guys, it's just my perspective, the way I would see or the way I would trade the market in the upcoming week. So I'll catch you guys in my chat. Stay tuned.
So guys, welcome back to my screen. As you guys can see, this is the DSY, the Euro USD, the JBP USD, the USD CHF, Gold, US 30, and NAS 100. So I'll be sharing my own view on what I'm expecting in the market. Firstly, what I do every time I open the chart, I go to DSY. I go to DSY to see what the DSY has for us. So this, I've already have this plotted on my levels. So simple, clear. This is a higher high on the daily time frame. Right now I'm in the daily time frame. Let me zoom out well. I'm in the daily time frame. So this market came all the way from this level, retraced back here, then we had this push. All right, so we have this push. So let me first look at, let me delete some certain levels in my chart to make it look good. Then firstly go to the weekly time frame and see what the weekly is doing. All these things are just kind of making everything, but I still have everything proper check. So if you can watch, we have this high here, we have this high here, we have this high here, I also have this high here. Currently I can't say that the DSY is on a trend, because if you can watch, we had, let me delete some levels, we had this high here, we had this high here, we had this low. You keep on touching between these my boxes. So what it definitely means that the DSY is ranging. So what am I expecting next week? I'm clearly expecting nothing from the market, because I really need a breakout either from this high level here or from this lower level here. So that is what I'm just expecting. So I'm not expecting much thing in the US market. So let's shift it to the Euro USD. If you guys can watch Euro USD, I'm solidly bearish on the Euro USD. Why? If you watch the trend, the market took off from this level, we hit this level, we came back into this my 1.16755, we pushed back to that level, making it a clear double top. We broke, we retest, we broke, we retest. So if you can really read your market structure properly, you know that the Euro USD is still downtrending to this 1.14244. So I scale down to my 4 hours. If you can see guys, we have already started having some accumulations. So how I deal with my own market is that I plot it and I leave it there. So when the market reaches there and tap me in, I'm inside the trade. Down to JBP USD, the same thing. At JBP USD, I'm still waiting for JBP USD to pull into this structure, into this level 1.3 1 point, wait, I want JBP USD to pull back into 1.34525. Then I will now have take it down all down the way to 1.31831. So that is it. CHF, I'm still waiting for a pullback on CHF, for CHF to pull back into this my level here, so that I can trade up to 0.80904. But be careful, in all this level I plotted there, I take my profit once it reach a support or resistance level and break if other trades. Okay, then we have gold. Not I'm not much expecting anything on gold, but I'm projecting that gold will definitely tap or in the future purpose, because if you can look on the weekly time frame, we are still having a big momentum down to 3925.27 so 67. So you can definitely do that on your own free time. For me, I'm still expecting gold to push back towards this level, to tap me towards this level, or break back inside this support and this resistance here, then I can now trade it below to 3.9256. US 30, I'm highly bullish on US 30 right now. Highly bullish, because if you watch the market I've tapped into this my block bar. This is the weekly time frame. So on the daily, we have a very bullish engulfing candle here, and on Friday close bullish if I go down to 4 hours. But I'm still kind of very careful within this level. I need the market to push up, come back into this level for me to start buying, or it breaks down here, close below here, tapped back here, and I'll keep on selling down to 49274.27. To Nasdaq, I am still kind of solidly on my sell projection on Nasdaq. Why? Because we had a push. If you read structure properly, we have a push to this level. We tapped into this level, this upper level. Sorry guys, if my system was on, I could have done it properly, but regardless, we keep going. If you watch, the market pushed from this level towards this level. We have a very massive sell-off. We came back to this support, making it resistance. We pushed back, we broke this resistance, we pushed it in back again, back to this descent support here. So my projection is that if it sustain below this level, there is a potential sell off down to this structure. If you watch, when the market pushed all the way from this level down here towards this structure, it never retested on top of this bar, on top of this resistance. So I'm still projecting that either we push from this level down here, or we come back to this level and create a double top, then we can now push back here. Regardless, these are my projection for the week, and I know you guys enjoy the simple analysis. Although my PC is off, I could have done it better, but with time everything will get better. Thank you and stay tuned.
I'm just done with my technical analysis, regardless of the way I did it. Because if this PC was very much on, I could have shown you guys more on how I see the market. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and stay blessed for the upper week. And I'll catch you up in my subsequent videos. Thanks and peace. God bless.